So today we'll apply the silkscreen logo to the headstock, and first we need to make headstock a little bit matte. Well, now it is too glossy, and for making matte surface without scratches, I use melamine sponge. It can make nice smooth matte surface without scratches. Okay. So you see. So now we need to prepare the paint. I make paint for silkscreen on the base of linen oil. This is pure linen oil, without, not boiled linen oil. Artistic paint, and this is important. Paint needs to be thick, not fluid. This is Indian yellow. This is transparent color, and it works with mix with gold very well. You can see it's transparent and active. With this paint you can make your plastic parts more yellowish, and when you mix them with brown, Mars brown, you can make more realistic shade. So, and when you have some plastic parts, yeah, you can change his shade just a little bit. But oil paint don't suck in the plastic. You need to remember it. It will be only a thin layer. So I will use a little bit Indian yellow, and I will use just a little chromium green. This is not chromium green, but it's the same. I need a little bit green. So, and gold powder. This is King Gold. This name of the shade. It's not lemon gold, it's more orange gold. It will be too thick, and I will add just a little, 1 drop of linseed oil. Oh, not too much, not too much. Just 1 drop or 2. And for polymerization, for fast polymerization, I will add cobalt cicative, and this paint will be dried for 24 hours, so just a little. And now I can mix it together. It's became thick, and I can add another 1 drop of linseed oil, but this thickness of paint is great. I will add my old paint that I make yesterday. It's the same shade. Yeah. This thickness is perfect for silkscreen. Now we can printing. So I make my own print frames for silkscreen. You can make position of the frame very easy this way, and you can see here a tiny curve. So, okay. So for printing, I will use polyurethane racquer. It's a special material for silkscreen printing, but you can use such tool. It's a plastic. It needs to be just smooth here. So position, and one time, only one time, it's enough. Yeah, great, perfect. If you make a mistake and you have bad print, you can clean it with turpentine and make it one more time. So now I will leave the guitar to dry for 1 day, and then I will start relicking process. So, but now we need to clean the silkscreen frame. This paint will live for several days while it has inside cobalt cicative, and it will polymerize. So for cleaning I use turpentine. Or you can use naphtha or kerosene or gasoline, any solvent, oil solvent. You can use here also acetone too. It works when you work with nitro paint. So you can use any solvent for cleaning silkscreen template. So it's clean? Not. One more time. So now it's clean, but I need to blow with air pressure. So now it's clean. So guys, till next time, till next series. Rock and roll for all.